So hello guys, yeah, welcome to my new video. My name is Dre. So in this video we are doing weekly forecast, or let me say top down analysis for GBpUSD. So this analysis will enable us to understand my perspective, how I visualize the market in the higher time frame and how I execute in the lower time frame. So this is GBpUSD daily time frame. I don't want to go back too much like weekly or monthly, so I want to start from daily time frame and let's dive into it. So before I start marking the structure, I just want to, like, maybe let me say refresh what I've taught in the previous video, and it will guide you to also understand how we were able to mark this structure. So what we want to see is we want to see a situation whereby market is taking out inducement, breaking structure, then for us to confirm our new direction. So this is just it. So it's very simple, and you will see when we are marking up this. So you can also use this in any time frame. It's not about lower time frame or higher time frame. It works in any time frame. But when you are doing top down analysis, it gives you the bigger view of the market, where the market is going in a long run, and it will enable you to trade towards in that direction. So let's start by marking the structure. So as you can see, this is daily time frame, and if I move this together, you can see that we have been on bullish momentum for a very long time. So market was temporarily bearish. Now, market was bearish before, now bullish. So that's the current situation of GBpUSD. So if you can see, first of all, what you need to do is to look for where you see a clear break of structure. And if you can see, in this bullish momentum, instead of us coming from the down, just look for clear break of structure like this. So as you can see, we had a break of structure to the upside. Then after break of structure, what are we supposed to look out for? We're supposed to look out for our inducement. So, and as I said in the previous video, our inducement has a characteristic large pullback before the market or after the market break the structure. So you can see that this is where we have the inducement. So this is where we have the inducement, and then market came back to this level. And if we are to mark our structure, as I said, the structure is the POI is immediately after the market break the structure, the pullback before the market break the structure, and the pullback after the market break the structure. So as you can see, if this level rests as our inducement, then our POI will be here. So we need to look for our POI below this level. So this is going to be our POI. This is the valid pullback, and this is going to be our POI. And you can see, to mark POI, no valid pullback here, no valid other block here with fair value gap. So if you are to pick this one, it's not valid. So you can see no valid one here, and the other one that we have here has been mitigated. This other one too, okay, we have one here. So you can see that when market got to that level, market responded. So you can see that after that, where is our high, where is our low? This is our low. So you see, this is the only pullback that we have, the extreme order block that we have here. So you can see this is the other block at the low, because after the market break out this structure, it means this low must be protected. This low must be protected. So anything below here will serve as change of character. So as you see, so this break of structure, this is our structure low, this is our structure high. Market has taken out this level. So as you see, immediately this one failed. When market got to this level, we had a reaction and it failed. So from this level now, you can start looking for your buy setup, buy entry in what, in 1 hour time frame. So then what happens? Market came back and broke this high. So you can see that we had a break of structure here. So after that, after the market breaks structure, I want you guys to see something. Look at this. This is the level. This is the candle. So after market took out this high, by breaking this high, where is our inducement? Our inducement is going to be here. So we have our inducement here, and it means that if our inducement is here, what we need to confirm a break of structure is inducement must be taken out. Market does not promise us break of it doesn't promise us POI mitigation. So what matter is inducement. So POI is just the supply or demand level that we're expecting to purchase the market for. So you can see market broke this level and we had break of structure. So it means that this low for now will be our new low. This level will be our new low according to the plan. So this will be our new low, as you see. So in this case, market came back to this level and created an inducement again, which we can identify here. This level serves as our inducement, and if we were to mark the OB that we can see, you can see that there is no valid OB here. Okay, this look valid, but I'm not sure. Let me check. Let me check. This is the valid pullback like this. Then let me see. So I think this is not mitigated. Yes, we have a OB here. Why? Let me expand this so that you see that this level hasn't been mitigated. There is a very tiny fair value gap in between it, so it hasn't been mitigated. You can see. So that's a valid order block, and you see that that's where we're expecting the market to respond from, but market refused to respond from there and push up. So now that the market has pushed up, we had a break of structure here, but this level hasn't been confirmed because this low, this when market mitigate this fair value, this inducement, you can see that we're expecting the market to do something like this. We're expecting the market to do something like this, but market refused to create any pullback. So what we just see is the market just keep going up. So as you see, no what, we don't have valid pullback. This is not a valid pullback. So it means that the pullback, the inducement will be here and the structure will still remain intact. But this is a sign for structure reversal. Maybe this structure wants to give us change of character, but we don't trade what we think, we trade what the market tells us. So this inducement will be shifted to this level, which I just did. This inducement here will be shifted to this level. So we still have our low intact and the high is still yet to be taken out. So we are expecting the market to do what? To come to this level if the momentum want to continue. So this serves as our inducement, and this POI failed, but the structure is still intact. So when I experience something like this, I would prefer the market to break the structure first, then to confirm that it's going to hold this level. But if market refuses to break this structure, it means that this is a sign that we might come down. I'm not just saying what will happen, but I'm just telling what I have experienced in the market. So this is the current situation of the GDP USD. If the market close up like this, if the market close up, it means that this low will be our new low and this will be the new break of structure. But if it doesn't, as it is now, then we are still waiting. Maybe market will come back here to come and give us change of character, but these are the levels. Market is still trading in between it. So this is it. So as it is now, what we can do, or what I normally do, is after I see that this low was protected, what I do is I go to 1 hour to see what the market will do from this low like this. So as you can see, this is the low. So if I check 1 hour, I can easily now start marking the structure to the upside. So, and I see all I just want to see after market gets to this level is just a buy momentum like this. So before I join the movement to the up, so and look at it, I just see that okay, we had this push up, then we had the market come back here. So, and if I'm to look at it, we have to look for inducement. You can see that this is the last pullback that the market did, but this is the last major pullback that the market did. So you can see market sweep this level and continue going up. So I'll just mark my 1 hour. I'll continue marking my 1 hour until I find the level that I can join the movement, or the level that align with my entry model. So, and as you can see, market continue pushing up, break structure here. We also broke structure here. So you can see that market continue pushing up. Use all this as a liquidity. This one as a liquidity. Sorry. Use all this as a liquidity. Then market continue pushing up. So this is the current state of GBP USD until we had a situation in daily time frame. D1. Sorry. 24 hours. Until we have a situation in daily time frame that says a situation in daily time frame that doesn't support this trend, that is pushing back again. But if you guys are to ask from my perspective, I will say that this level, because if we are to be looking for this level to fail, but I don't want to go by what I'm feeling, I'm going by what I'm seeing. So I will expect the market to keep pushing up. If this market want to go up, I will expect to keep pushing up until we have a break of structure. Then I will now position for the structure here, because I'm seeing the other block that is still valid below here. Then maybe market will come back. So then we'll keep buying to the upside. But whichever way, we'll be expecting the market to do whatever it needs to do and see whatever I want to happen. And I'm seeing something like this. Some people will be saying this left shoulder head, this left shoulder head, right shoulder. And at the same time, they say this left shoulder head, right shoulder. So whichever one, I'm still favoring the upside. But if the market start giving me momentum to this downside based on this level that's already failed, then I'll be looking for lower time frame confirmation to sell. So that's it for the video. Bye guys.